What is on-balance volume? Now, on-balance volume is a technical indicator used to gauge interest in stock. Now, on-balance volume or OBV is related to the price and volume for stocks or any underlying security, as you can place this indicator on anything, index futures or like any other stuff. However, OBV is based on accumulative total volume. Now every day, total volume is assigned a negative or positive value in OBV indicator. Basically, it depends on price movement, that is, being higher or lower that day. So a higher close with higher volume gets a positive value, whereas a lower close with lower volume gets a negative value. So basically through these values, the OBV volume indicator moves. Now OBV was initially called continuous volume, and it was first developed by Woods and Vignola, then refined by Joe Granola. Now, the OBV follows prices. With prices, OBV also rises, and vice versa with fall. So basically, OBV is following the prices along with the volume and merging them. So through the OBV, you will see what really is happening. If the price is in a trend, upward trend or downward trend. Basically, it helps you gauge the interest of a big investor, hedge fund, mutual funds, or institutional investor. However, if OBV fails to pass previous high, then it's a divergence and suggesting a change in trend. Now this is really important because this will help you understand when the change is coming, when the rise is stopping. It will help you understand a few days before the fall. Now this technique was popularized by Joseph Grinnell in 1963, so it's not something new. It's really old and it works since 1963. OBV can be applied to stocks or indices based on volume and price movement. So you have two movements and you're merging them up, which strengthens your analysis. Now the idea behind OBV is volume is higher on days when the price moves up. That's really important because volume is high on only those days. Basically, that's the assumption. As in a rising trend, there are more up days than in downward trend. So this assumption works, and once you will be learning OBV volume indicator, you will be thanking me because it will strengthen your analysis and it will change the way how you think. Because in stocks, you need to understand if a big institutional investor is on your side or against you, as these things make or break your trading account. Thank you.